Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to deactivate Messenger account. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Messenger app. Okay, tap on menu option, click on settings, then scroll down, tap on see more in account center. Okay, tap on personal details. After that click on account ownership option, then tap on deactivation or deletion. Click on profile Facebook, then deactivate your account. Just continue, and Gmail and password, that's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.